Hi guys, today I'm going to be unboxing two pop sockets. So these are from McDonald's. We've got fries here and a burger. I don't know which one this is, but okay, let's just go to the fries first. So yeah, let's just take it down first of all and then look at it. There. So it says iPhone X R8 users, so iPhone X users or iPhone 8 users. Look inside. Okay, let's look inside. Ooh. Okay. So, if you use your phone without a case or glass back protector, you must apply the enclosed whatever disc to the back of your phone before attaching your pop socket grip. Okay, it's not the case by mine, it's just the case. The case by mine. Okay. Yeah. The pop socket will not whatever. Here the description: apply disc to the back of the phone, blah 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 blah. Remove film from the pop socket grip and the center of the disc. Who cares? And finished. Okay. So made in China. You can follow PopSocket if you want on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and I don't know what that is. Sorry guys, but yeah, put it twice, close flat, movable. Clip me, I haven't got that. Your photo goes here. Yeah, you can do that, but don't do it. It costs a fortune. It's called popsockets.com. I tried to do a Need for Speed one. It cost $60, which is a lot. So now I'm gonna just look at this with you. So focus, please. So as you can see, it's got the McDonald's sign, and yeah, everybody can draw that, I think, because look, just like a underwear. No, who cares? Like a red thing, and just lines going up and down. Yeah, it's easy. You can draw the two. So at the end of the video, I'm gonna be changing my one with this one and this one. So now let's go to the other one. Wait. So yeah, I got a special offer from my friend. He ordered a lot. He gave it to me for He gave them to me for €5. So both are together €5, which I find pretty nice. So I didn't pay him back, but I'm gonna pay him back the day after tomorrow, because today's a free day for us in Vienna. So here we've got a burger, we've got bread, we've got chicken, we've got salad, then bread, chicken, or whatever that is, meat. Then we've got cheese, and then salad, and then bread. And we've got the McDonald's logo here again. And yeah, I'm just gonna try it out on mine now. So if you didn't know, you can switch stuff by the pop socket, so you don't have to rip your whole thing down. So here comes the burger. Uh, just skip the. You don't have to skip this part because I'm just gonna pause and then. Okay. Wait. Yeah, I did it. So took about 3 minutes to put it down, but here you can see it. And now I have to stick it on. That should work quicker because this is more used. I got that one in, I don't know if you know it, but here in Austria it's called Müller. So here I've got my burger. Well, it looks really nice, to be honest. Yeah, that's the burger. And now I'm gonna switch to the pommes, but first I have to do this again. A tip, just squeeze it like this. By the stretchy ones it goes, but by the black ones it goes, but by these it doesn't. So I'm gonna pause it again. Oh wait, no, wait. Okay. Oh, I didn't pause it. Oh, sorry. See you in a sec. Oh, sorry guys, I just noticed a trick. But this one where it works, just squeeze again. And then, oh no, it doesn't work. Ah yeah, now it does. So, okay. Jesus. I got another one. And other two. And the other two. If you ask which handy I've got a Samsung Galaxy. I don't know how it's called. I'm just gonna write it up there, if you know what I mean. In the description, I mean. So here it is. Oh, that looks so nice. You can't see it. Wait. Oh yeah. Okay, thanks guys for watching this video. And this video is sponsored by PopSockets. Oh yeah. Okay. See you next time. Ooh.